Hi, I'm Pierre from Simple Home Brew with Pierre. I'm here to taste test my Liberty Golden Ale brew that I made the last few months ago. The first one I did was brewed in a Fermentasaurus, a conical fermenter, which is really quite nice to look at when it's working away and doing its job. The second one I did in a normal fermenter bucket. The third video was about bottling and kegging these two brews. Now for the taste test. I have the two poured. Unfortunately, the first, they're poured already because I already did a video and I lost it. I have to redo the bloody video, can you believe it? Anyway, these two, that one's from the bottle. I poured it out of this nice little bottle here. Beautiful. Come out. It poured out highly carbonated, I'll show you. You probably won't be able to see it, but we'll see how we go. The carbonation is shocking. It's okay, because that was my fault. I bottled it too early in the fermentation, so I didn't wait for it to finish fermenting out perfectly. The second one is from a keg. Now my carbonation in that is pretty much spot on. It comes out pretty good. No, not bubbling over or too much of a head like this one, but it seems to work quite well. So when I poured them, they come up to the top in just bubbles. So now for the taste test. Oh, smells like beer. It's nice and cold too. Yeah, it's really good. The bottled one has about 4% alcohol. The kegged one is 3.7% alcohol. Maybe that's because of the grains not steeping properly when I first did it. I don't know. But this one here on the left, that was the one done in the Fermentasaurus. This was done in the bucket and bottled. So here we go. Nice little aroma. Smells good. Smells like beer. That's what it should do. The taste. Oh, very strong flavour. It was 23 litres like they recommended to do. Carbonation is pretty high. It has a bit of a bite to it on the tongue. Not a great mouthfeel, as people put it. I'm not a beer connoisseur by all means, but it smells good. Tastes good too. Can handle it. It's a bit sharp on the tongue, I have to say. It's a bit, yeah, not great in the mouthfeel, but it's drinkable. Very nice. Now for the keg version. Smells the same, not as strong. Can't really smell the hops, but I can smell the beer. It's beautiful, really nice smell. Here we go. Oh, now that's nice. That's very smooth, good on the mouth. It's funny that, isn't it? Same brew, same everything, fermented differently. What a different flavour. Wow, I can drink this all day. Very good. Carbonation, spot on. Hasn't got a lot of bubbles going through it. Yeah, not disappointed. This is a good beer. It's a good beer for a different taste. But I reckon that'd be a nice beer to have with a steak for dinner. Just something I might have. And the flavour in this almost points to a good salmon. I think I might have that tonight as well. I'm going to get in trouble. I'll get fat. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let your friends know about this channel. I do this channel just for the fun of it. There's no money to be made. And of course I have reviewed, or kind of reviewed, Mangrove Jack's Liberty Golden Ale, but they haven't paid me. It's only what I have. I'm about to do another brew, which I'll do in the morning or tonight. And you'll probably get to see that one as well. So remember, like and subscribe for more videos. See ya. Cheers.